Random, and it's time to do tracking with the Autel Evo 2. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to concentrate on just one type of tracking, which is off-road tracking. So here we go. We're going to get this bird in the air and we're going to track this puppy, and we're going to drive all over the crap, and hopefully we won't ruin my truck in the process, but should be fun. Later. Bye. All right, here we go. Dad Random dynamic tracking with the Autel Evo 2 8K. Let's see if it can handle it. Let's see the type of video we're going to get. We're going to be going up and down a lot of different hills. We're going to be going up a steep grade, and we're just going to let the drone just get nice and tight with us, and see how it goes. It should be fun, guys. This should be a blast. This should be freaking fun, and you're going to see it right now. Later, and bye. Alright, this is Dad Random. Alright, I'm already at the top of the hill. Here we go. And right now we've got the Evo 2 now, and there it is right there, orbiting us right now. Wow, what a freaking awesome flight. A little bit of action, kind of a tough drive, but no problem. I guess I could make a commercial for my truck too, but not bad at all. So we transitioned from dynamic track. Now, about the only thing I can say about dynamic track is it doesn't have a lot of range. So you've got all those tight shots, but those tight shots are going to be absolutely amazing, and you know they're going to be. So for the Autel Evo 2 dynamic track, yeah, it's not going to hit anything because there's nothing out here to hit, but we should get some amazing video. For Dad Random and dynamic track, we can do a parallel track with this. We can do a point of interest with this. Right now it's basically locked into a point of interest. We also can do a linear track, so we can get that nice smooth long linear video. I'm going to do an example of that right now. Later, and